Hey, welcome to my other channel. I've been working on my Chinese diesel heater because last night it quit working, and the error message I'm getting is the incandescent spark plug. So if you look in different forums and also some tutorials on YouTube, everyone tells you need a special tool, a socket with a cut, so the cables can go through that cut. Since I don't have that luxury here, what I'm doing is the following. Okay, I have a socket, but it cannot go through all this crap. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this connector so I can make the cables pass through here and then take out the spark plug. So let's see if it works or not. Just make sure that when you assemble it back, the colors of the cables go in the same way. The way to remove it, you have the connector, and in the back you can push the metal tab and then it goes out. Same thing for the other one. You push and then it should come out, but it's not coming out as easy as the other one. Now we're talking. Okay, so I did remove the connector, make sure not to lose it. Then I take out the okay, then we take out the cap that protects the spark plug itself. I don't mind if I have to push it real hard to go through it, but I don't care if it breaks or not. I'm not concerned right now. I'm more concerned of not freezing to death at night. Last night was very cold without the heater. So I removed that as well. And now let's test my theory. I push the cables through the socket, and it has to be a socket with a hole so I can put something to make. Okay, too big, and the other one is even bigger, but I can see kerosene coming out of the spark plug hole. It's fully flooded with kerosene. Sorry, with diesel. Okay, I have a number 12. Let's see if it works or not. So, there we go. Success. Good. Let's see how much diesel gets out when I remove the spark plug. The incandescent. Wow. So there's a mesh inside there. I need to find a way to remove that mesh. I seen on the internet they do it with a bolt, but I don't have that luxury here. Yeah, this thing is flooded. Too bad I don't have sandpaper to sand it a little, but I guess I can scratch it a little with my... Yep, I will do that. I'm trying to be gentle so I don't break it, because I've seen some that break. So it says 7B XT8V. I'm just saying it so if I buy a new one, I don't have to take it out again until I have the new one. If I only had pliers, I could grab it. And if my grandma had bolts, will be my grandpa. It's very clean. Success. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's burn this puppy. Put it in here. Yeah, I don't know if it's supposed to be with an open top like it is right now, or if it should be closed, but it is what it is. Okay. I'm just trying to smooth out the edges, so when we put it in, okay, let's try to do this. Okay, and now I need to push it. There you go. It's seated all the way back. Okay, reinstall the plug. You know what? Yeah. So let's do this from this angle, and then, yep, once it gets tight, then it doesn't allows me to move it. So easy peasy, baby steps. Okay, I think that's tight enough. Now let's put back the jacket. This is gonna be a lot harder than taking it out. Unless I turn it around. Yeah. Okay, I think I got it. I just push it out, I turn it around, and then just make sure. Yep. And now push, 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 push. I wish I had pliers, but I don't. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, baby. You can do it. There you go. Number one is passing through. I think it has. Where's my tool when I need it? Where did I put it? Right here. Damn it. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay, so and then I don't remember which way it was mounted. Where's my connector? Here. And I think I had the, let me go. Luckily I took a photograph because I don't remember. Okay, so I checked the picture. It was like I thought. So the blue one goes in here. Just make sure that the tab I pushed to was able to take it out. Make sure that you push it out a little bit with your nail, so when it goes in, it clicks. I just push it in, and now it's locked in place. Same thing with the tab on the back, which is the one you push to take it out. Okay, and now all the way here, set. Okay, let's clean the motherboard because it's super wet as well. Actually, it's not that bad. Just let's make sure everything's well connected. Yeah. This is my temperature probe that I guess it goes through here, and then my connector goes back in. And now I have no idea where I put this screw because I've been getting in and out of here. Probably one screw here. The other screw should be somewhere here. I don't see it. Screw, screw, screw me. Found it, found it, found it. Let's put this thing together. So this keeps this part here, so basically you make it snap. That goes through here, does it? No, I think it goes like that, like this, and then you push. Yeah, there you go. Here, here, motherboard. screw. Is it all right? Yeah. Okay, but I don't want to close it until I test it. So I'm going to leave it like this. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see if it works or not. Está en la pasada. So yeah, no, it's not working. I think the pump is not making a noise, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's happening.